Family. We've been talking about the nature of the family. Now we're going to talk about the Christian family, making a comment on the Ten Commandments, specifically the Fourth Commandment, and we're making a comment taken basically from the Catechism of the Catholic Church. This is 2204. Catechism says that the Christian family constitutes a specific revelation and realization of ecclesial communion, and for this reason it can and should be called a domestic church. Every Christian family should be called a domestic church. This is quoted in the document of John Paul II, Familiaris Consortio, as well as the Dogmatic Constitution in Vatican II, Lumen Gentium, paragraph 11. Catechism continues by saying it is a community of faith, hope, and charity. So it binds the members together is Jesus Christ. And these three virtues are called the theological virtues, that of faith, hope, and charity. Faith is believing in a God that we don't see. Hope is trusting in God despite the problems that we have. Charity is two-dimensional. Charity means, first of all, a love for God. We're called to love God with our whole being, as we read in Luke chapter 10, with all of our heart, all of our mind, all of our soul, and all of our strength. The other dimension of charity is loving one's neighbor. So if the family members have an ardent and passionate love for the Trinity, the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, then the family members will be able to love each other. But it has to be the vertical dimension of loving God, and then there's a love among the family members. And the Catechism continues by saying that the family assumes singular importance in the Church, as is evident in the New Testament. And we can read biblical passages taken from the New Testament that really support the family. Ephesians chapter 5, 21. Colossians chapter 6, 18 to 21. And 1 Peter 3, 1 to 7. So we'll reiterate that the family is important. The Christian family is important. It's called the domestic church.